Hi, I'm Annie Haskell. I'm in the Culinary Arts Department and I live in Bartlesville, Oklahoma. What made me want to join culinary arts is I have a passion for cooking. I love inventing new recipes and cooking for my 3 daughters. My favorite part of the program is learning sauces, which it sounds funny, but it's really, there's a lot of sauces that I didn't know about, and I now know how to make them. After I'm done at Tri-County, I plan to open my own gourmet soda shop with cookies, and maybe down the line use some of those sauces that I've learned. I came to Tri-County because of the price and the location. It's a really good education for and I didn't go into debt for it, and so that was very important to me. Some of my hobbies, I like to sing on my off time. I love to cook. I cook all the time, and I dance and play with my daughters. My favorite meal, like in a plate that is like my favorite, it's like a fusion. Like I could have like a really awesome roll with like some sushi and then some like, you know, pork chop with some blackberry reduction sauce, which I learned how to make, and like twice baked mashed potatoes.